Here's how to make it. First, head over to the Gemini Omni website and sign in with your Google account. I've put the link in the video description, so you can find it easily. Once you're logged in, create a new project. Next, upload your photo. This will be used as the reference for your video, so make sure you choose a clear image. After that, switch to video generation mode and select the ingredients option. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for a vertical video. For the video model, choose Omni Flash. And then set the duration to 10 seconds. Now, add the photo you uploaded as the reference image. The next step is super easy. Just copy and paste the prompt that I've already included in the video description. When everything is ready, click Send, and wait a few minutes while Gemini Omni generates your video. And that's it! Your giant version video is ready. You can download it straight to your gallery and share it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or anywhere you want.